If I was the rain, I'd polish every outbound train and wash the teardrops from your eyes, so you could kiss the blues goodbye. If I was the rain, I'd answer all the farmers' prayers till green was growing everywhere. If I was the rain, I'd play the drums on every tin roof from Shreveport to Baton Rouge. Let the songs make up themselves the way the best ones always seem to do. If I was the rain, I'd have no reason to explain. I'd fall between the fireflies, 'cause I'd never dampen any light. If I was the rain, I'd feed the rivers and the streams. I'd nourish every cowgirl's dream. If I was the rain, I'd strike a chord within each heart, wherever they were torn apart. And if that helped them heal themselves, I guess we'll find out where forgiveness starts. If I was the rain, I'd choose forever to remain. I'd add a sparkle to the night, and I'd marvel at the morning bright. If I was the rain, I'd bless each blossom to unfold. I'd turn each one of them to gold. If I was the rain. If I was the rain. Bye, everybody.
Co-part piano, David Glazer, Roddy Magruder, J.T. Brown, John Jennings, John Van Dyke, Scott Smith, Jennifer Smith, Sam Lowen, Annie Claire Lowen, Haley Ferguson, Katie Ferguson, Thomas Ferguson, John McGuire, Paul Wiltberger, and I'm Dan Navarro. Good night, we love you. Thank you for the last 20 years.
For you today, but you didn't show.